I find myself in a grocery store, so I thought I'd just go around filming stuff to kind of give y'all an idea of what kind of snacks or things y'all could invest in that might be helpful in your life. So, hopefully this helps you as you watch about the video. Okay. So, some way, somehow, you think you've encountered a flying squirrel. For what reasons, I don't know. But I can help you identifying it, I think. No, let's be honest here. No, I can't. But I can tell you about it. So that's what I'm going to do. First and foremost, flying squirrels are small nocturnal rodents found in North America. And they are known for the ability to glide. Not specifically fly from one to another tree. I worded that just now probably confused you. They glide. They do not fly but glide because of how their body is made. And the fact that they don't have wings, so. Let's continue on with the basics and key characteristics of flying squirrels. These squirrels are very special. They are active at night. They live primarily in trees, and the southern flying squirrel and northern flying squirrel are the two types or two species that are in this specific squirrel family. They eat seeds, nuts, fungi, fruit, insects, and sometimes eggs, birds, or carrion. I think it's safe to assume that they live in wetlands and forests, even in tree cavities and leaf nests. They are small, so I reckon they'd be pretty fast too. So if you're gonna catch them, you're gonna have to have a plan in sight, cause as far as I see it, these things can literally, even though they don't fly, they still glide, and if they get the momentum from high up in a tree, well, they're gone at that point. They are gone. You can't get them in the air if you are human. No. And you possibly can't get them on the ground if you are human, because they're small and they're fast, and I reckon they're very flexible too. So good luck trying to catch one if that's your motive or plan. So, you want to know the scientific name for these flying squirrels, even though they glide? They are, well, flying squirrels is glaucomes. I don't know how you say it. But for New World species, pteronomies or pteromimines or these big words. For world species, the pronunciation of glaucomes is roughly glaucomus? Oh, glaucomus. Yeah, so you know what? I'm reading this from the internet, and I don't have the translator to actually say it, so stick with me. But yeah, anywho, glaucomus means gleaming mouse, which that's not the flying mouse I'm talking about. But Pteromes or Termes is named, it means a winged mouse. So flying mouse, actual scientific name would be the Pteromes or Pteromes, or you know what I mean, or do you? So actually, I was wrong. There are 3 species that are in North America. 2 live in northern Eurasia, and all the others are found in the temperate and tropical forests of India and other parts of Asia. Meaning, I don't exactly know how many of these things, family, there are. I just know that the flying squirrel is a flying squirrel, and if you see it, it's some kind of squirrel. Some kind of flying squirrel. But anywho, the 3 that are probably present in America is the southern flying squirrel. They are the most common species found in North America, with a range spanning from Canada down to Florida and some parts of Mexico. And then you have the northern flying squirrel, which this species is found across much of Canada, from Alaska to Nova Scotia, and as far south as the mountains of North Carolina in the United States. And then you have the Humboldt's flying squirrel. This species has the most restricted range, inhabiting the Pacific Northwest, including parts of California, Oregon, and Washington, and some southern British Columbia region. For this next part, please excuse my bad pronunciation. I'm going to butcher words. You can fight me later, but for now I'm butchering words. So we know where they reside in America and the other places I named out, but where did they come from? These cute little mouse bat infusions. Let me tell you, flying squirrels are likely evolved from tree squirrels in the Oligocene epoch, approximately 33.9 to 23 million years ago. While some fossil evidence suggests that they might have existed earlier, around 36 million years ago, most genetic studies point to a split from tree squirrels around 23 million years ago. The New World flying squirrels, Glasomes, as I said earlier, appear to have diverged from Asian flying squirrels relatively early in their history, likely in late Miocene. Miocene? I'm sorry, but yeah. Oh no! A flying squirrel that landed on you for some reason, and for some reason it I don't know, its claws is on your skin, and it's looking at you like it want to eat you, or maybe it's drooling. Is it poisonous? Well, let me tell you, I haven't come across any actual information saying that flying squirrels have anything poisonous or, venomous or affectionate to them. One thing though is the fact that they are animals. So with any animals, their droppings, yes, their doo-doo, their dung, their whatever you want to call it, they can spread salmonella like anything else, which can lead to food poisoning, and then, you know, other underlying diseases, because, you know, they're still animals. They have their own cleaning factor, but us humans are, well, how do you say, we are different from them. So literally anything that they might catch may not affect them, but they could affect us. And I'm talking about this from a third-hand party, meaning, let's just say some new flu came about, any animal species, and it was just circling from cows to gooses to geese. Gooses and geese are the same thing. From cows, ducks, and squirrels to anything. It doesn't affect them. But when it gets on our skin or in our body's immune system, yeah, then we start having problems because, well, we're not, we could be considered animals. We kind of are animals. Mammals. Yeah, okay, I'm getting in too deep into this. So, you're wondering what they look like. And so, I'm going to give you the best description I can possibly muster up in 30 seconds. They are bat mice. Bat mice. Yeah, bat mice. That's how you... Yeah. I describe them as bat mice. With thicker coats, and they're brown. Different variations of brown. Did that do? Not to mention they are also fluffy. Yes, I know this is probably over 30 seconds, but, you know, it is what it is. And they have, like, circular ears? Pointed circular ears? They got beady eyes like raccoons and any other rodents. And they got long whiskers, so, yeah. Hopefully you can identify your problem with my description. So, excuse me, talk about a voice crack. That's all I have for you today. Yeah, good luck on trying to capture that flying squirrel, or maybe you're not trying to capture it. That would be so mean, so rude. Shame on you if that's what you're trying to do. Instead, maybe just let it be. I mean, let me see. Is it endangered? Well, certain flying squirrels are endangered and or threatened, but even then, I don't really see flying squirrels like that often. I see regular squirrels. They don't seem to be endangered. They seem to be doing fine, actually. But, you know, let them be. Yeah, that's really all I have to say. Okie dokie. Bye, y'all.